Community Celebrating Diversity 2024 Scottsdale History Hall of Fame. Scottsdale has long been a place of diverse cultures, faiths, orientations, abilities, and opinions. For over 30 years, the nonprofit, all-volunteer Community Celebrating Diversity organization has helped us recognize our similarities and acknowledge our differences through community events and educational programs. The Institute for the Celebration of Community Diversity, or CCD, was founded in Scottsdale in 1992 by Sandra Rembrandt. Arizona voters had just passed the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, which rekindled interest in continuing his legacies. Phoenix had been hosting observances honoring Dr. King, but Sandra believed that Scottsdale needed a celebration of its own. She brought her idea to Scottsdale officials and staff, who encouraged her to create such an event. CCD, renamed Community Celebrating Diversity, held its first annual Martin Luther King Jr. gathering in 1995. Founding CCD board members Cindy Slick from APS, Don Logan from the City of Scottsdale, and Dr. Art Decabooter from Scottsdale Community College ensured their organizations would support CCD's efforts to create greater awareness of Scottsdale's diversity through community collaboration. The cornerstone of CCD's annual activities is the Martin Luther King Jr. Dinner held in January to coincide with Dr. King's birthday. Nationally renowned speakers keynote the dinner and, earlier the same day, speak to hundreds of students in the Scottsdale Unified School District through CCD's Youth Voices program. Through generous sponsorships from a who's who of Scottsdale companies and organizations, CCD has been able to stage both annual MLK events, award sponsorships to over 50 students who plan to study at Arizona universities, and annually honor Scottsdale Diversity Champions. Founding board member Don Logan says our MLK dinner has evolved from humble beginnings to become one of the most significant celebrations in the United States. Speakers at the MLK Dinner and Voices programs have included Martin Luther King III, Lou Gossett, Patricia Russell McLeod, Eugene Robinson, Judge Glenda Hatchett, and Reuben Hurricane Carter. Dozens of Scottsdale residents and business leaders have been recognized as diversity champions and served on the CCD board. CCD conducts a variety of targeted diversity educational programs such as Scottsdale Leadership Diversity Day, Youth Town Hall, and events with Scottsdale Community College and Health World. In 2023, CCD began hosting dinner and dialogue to encourage conversations among Scottsdale residents with the hope of developing better cultural understanding and a stronger, healthier community. Cindy Slick, board member emeritus, says CCD's challenge today and tomorrow is continuing Dr. King's legacy in an increasingly divisive world. Listening to each other and constantly educating a new generation is the key. Thanks to collaboration among Scottsdale citizens, business and education leaders, and Scottsdale-based companies and organizations, Community Celebrating Diversity continues to strive toward its goals of peace, unity, and understanding.